Welcome to Day 5 of the Introductory Path to Meditation. Thus far, we've experienced our very first breathing technique to focus our attention and relax our body. We have also undergone our first body scan to pay attention to our body, practicing the skill of awareness to be more involved with our surroundings, and trying our first sorting practice to quiet a busy mind. Today, we are going to conclude this path with a practice about living in the present moment, which is one of the biggest and most important philosophies of mindfulness meditation. Throughout our entire life, we gather memories of our experiences. We generally use these memories and these experiences to redefine and redirect the way we guide ourselves in the world. Sometimes this happens so quickly and so instinctively that we are not even aware that it has happened until much later. This is like living in the past because our mind keeps going back and redefining choices and actions before moving forward. On the other hand, we also like to plan for the future. We prepare projects and define expectations of how we see our life in the future. Sometimes this is so important to us that we may drastically change situations in our life in order to reach our expected goals, and we don't realize the consequences of this until much later. This is as if we are living in the future because our mind keeps planning ahead and redefining choices and actions before moving forward. Finally, the influences of the people around us and current situations in our everyday life can affect and redefine the choices we make in the present moment, often forcing us to reevaluate what we are doing and where we are going, generating a certain sense of confusion. This is like being suspended in the middle of an empty space and being pushed in the direction of the wind without truly doing what we want, but rather what we believe may work best. It is as if our mind is constantly searching the past and what is long gone, while it continues to entertain the idea of the future and what we imagine is still to come. Meanwhile, we are losing focus because of being constantly seduced and hypnotized by trendy things and situations happening in the present. This is not to say that any of this is right or wrong, but in order to grow and become a better version of ourselves, we need to learn how to properly sort the useful from the useless. This can only be achieved by being truly present in the moment we are living, fully aware of ourselves and our surroundings. Adopt a comfortable posture, sitting on a chair with your feet placed parallel to each other, no wider than your hips and firmly on the ground. Rest your hands in a comfortable position and make sure your palms are either resting on your knees or one on top of the other, resting on your lap, opened and relaxed. Keep your back straight and tall, your chin parallel to the ground, and your eyesight straight ahead. At your own pace, take a long, deep inhalation through your nose and a long exhalation through your mouth. During your next exhalation, close your eyes. During your next inhalation, see if you can gently expand your belly and chest without forcing it. During your next exhalation, simply relax your belly and chest, allowing the air to flow naturally and without compressing your body inwards. Focus entirely on the way your body reacts to your breathing. At your own pace, return your breath to its normal pace, breathing in and out through your nose. Gently shift your attention to your surroundings and see if you can identify any particular sounds around you, starting first with the closest and most evident ones, and then gently making your way to the farthest sounds. If your mind gets distracted with random thoughts, gently bring your attention back to the sounds you are hearing and see if you can identify them. At your own pace, release all control over your breathing and your mind, and simply allow your mind to be. Notice every thought that passes through your mind, but make sure you don't get caught in it or spend too much time on it. Try shifting your attention into a sound, your breathing, or your own body. Gently and at your own pace, bring all of your attention on your breathing. Yesterday is long gone. Tomorrow hasn't come yet. Today you are here, now, at this very moment. At your own pace, bring your attention back into the room. Gently move your feet up and down, like pushing on a pedal. Slowly close and open your hands. Maybe even move your head gently from side to side, and at your own pace, open your eyes. Congratulations on completing the introductory path to meditation. We hope that these practices have given you new tools to begin guiding your life in the direction you want.